Expediting comes in two forms, and both forms add significantly to the cost of a project. The first is, as I alluded to earlier, wanting to get yourself at the front of a queue and paying to do that. And that normally ends up costing 30 to 50% of the cost of whatever you're purchasing. The second thing is the assumptions you have to make because you don't have information in front of you to make informed decisions. For instance, how big does this building need to be that will house my manufacturing process? If someone hasn't done a layout, they cannot understand and appreciate how big the building needs to be. But if a decision needs to be made in the absence of that information, you're making an assumption. There's very few engineers out there that'll make risky assumptions. Often you're making conservative assumptions. And in essence, that translates into buildings that are probably 30% bigger than what they need to be, which may add tens of millions of dollars to their capex. And if you add the cost of expediting packages, as well as the cost of not having information and making conservative assumptions, we're seeing in the market that capital costs of projects are between 30% and 100% of what they should be. And of course, if you've anticipated a capital cost and it's 30 to 100% more than what you expected, you've just compromised the business case.